Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Auto Rehab. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I just got a call that they're bringing our new project in. It's a 2018 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350, and it's gonna be our next project, man. Let's check her out. It's nice when you get headlights because you can sometimes salvage the computers. Probably not in this case, but maybe in this headlights case. Yeah, see, the computer's good. So sometimes you can just buy a bare headlight and swap over the part. It's really nice. Alright, so looks like a lot of the parts are in the car. Look at that, there's a fender. I'm not sure if it's usable at this point. I'm just happy that the badging and stuff is there and all the hardware, the brackets and stuff. Here's the other fender. See, the brackets here. We found the headlight in the trunk, the reinforcement, piece of the bumper with the grill and the emblem. There's the cooling for it. Fans. Let's see what else we can find in the trunk. Oh look, they were nice enough to leave us the windshield wipers. Alright. And a hair comb. There we go. Sometimes you just need to comb your hair. Plenty of bolts. Awesome. Your side damage or my side?
I don't know.
What's the damage? Is this it? Is this all the damage right here?
Yeah, it's probably fixable.
Dude, it's fixable. Yo, that's crazy. That's awesome, man. You might be able to salvage this original hood. Oh man, it smells. Did you open the inside? It smells like a brand new car inside. Oh, look at this. I love that it's a manual. Oh yeah, I could definitely see myself. I could definitely see myself driving this baby. Okay, e-brake works. Man, look at that. This is suede or that Alcantara, whatever you call it, steering wheel. Man, that's some quality parts in this thing. I like it. Super comfortable seats, and only 1,800 miles.
Alright, so here's what we got over here. Our cooler is busted, and at this moment we're gonna have to get these two lines spliced in. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut off a little bit of here, a little bit of here of this cooler, connect them together with two oil high pressure lines, and see if this puppy will start.
I think it's about that time we need to start this thing up and make sure this car actually runs before we get too far into it. I already ordered some parts for it. I kind of got ahead of myself and found a little hose and put some clamps on it. However, these clamps are kind of weak and they don't hold. And I'm worried as soon as we start, it's going to build a little bit of pressure and the oil is just going to splatter everywhere. And all we need to do is figure out a good system so that we can close this loop right here. That way it's not going to leak any oil when we start the car up. So I could find some clamps, which I already went to 3 different stores, and no luck, nobody sells any big enough clamps for this size that can actually hold it. So a better option is if you have a good welder in the family, you can always take it to him and he can fabricate something. So That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go take this to his place and let him fabricate me something so I can use it temporarily until my oil cooler comes in. All right, I'm here at my cousin's house. He made a little table right here to put those little small pieces on.
It's rolling on what to say.
Cool. All right. I guess we got to order the rest of the parts and get it on the frame machine and get going.